Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your MEXC account using your mobile application. To log into MEXC account on your mobile app, first of all, go ahead and open the MEXC app on your device. Once you do that, you will then be able to see this screen where you can see the sign up button. Simply go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon and then click on login button at the top. Now, you will be prompted to enter either your email or your mobile number. Enter your email address or phone number. This will vary how you have previously created your account for MEXC. After typing down the credential, tap on the next button and you will be prompted to complete this puzzle for verification. Now, a password box will appear right underneath email. Enter your correct password for your MEXC account that you created while signing up for it before. If you don't remember the password, tap on Forgot Password button right under Next button and follow the instructions. After entering both of your credentials correct, tap Next and then verify your email address with a 6-digit code that has been sent to you. Open up your email inbox and then open up your verification email and then copy the code or simply type down the code inside the MEXC application. After typing down the verification code, you will then be able to sign yourself in to MEXC account. You should now be logged in and can start trading or managing your portfolio on the MEXC app. So that's how it's super easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.